Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? And welcome back to another video. On this video I'm going to discuss how I offer a screencast gig on Fiverr with very low competition. I just decided to open the gig when I'm doing research this morning, so I found that there are very low sellers on the gig, and then there are many gigs there though, but I think I just need to publish a gig through it and see what's gonna happen. So let me go to my screen here and go to screencasting videos. So I try to make a gig today on this category, and then I just want to say maybe the video is not showing. Okay, let me do this. I just want to go to my profile directly, then to save the gig. I publish a video as well. Okay, now the video is appearing now. The video is not showing before, so I just okay. I would like to check if the video is now showing on the Fiverr search. Okay. If you see here, there are just 283 gigs on this category, and people are definitely creating more gigs. So I'll just scroll down to where maybe I'll be able to find a gig. Okay, maybe I should speed this up. So there are different gigs and different service based on the screen recording. So we are on page 3 already, and the gig is not showing yet. The gig is not showing yet. Okay, let me try this last page. If it's not showing on this page, then wow. So the gig is appearing on page 4, which is best selling, and I haven't got any feedback or review yet on this gig, and it's appearing on the 4th page. So definitely, maybe if I could get 1 or 2 sales, it might happen to appear on the 1st page or the 2nd page or below. Definitely, I'm very sure about that. But I'll just try all my possible best to at least get a job and see what's gonna happen within the time, and I think I'll be able to land the sales if it happened that the gig was on the 1st page, because I could see here that there are some sellers that are making and getting order already. You can see here 10 orders in queue. Let's check on this too. Sorry. Yeah, 2 orders in queue. I'll have to check one more. Let me check on this. 1 orders in queue. So definitely, if your gig is appearing on the 1st page, it's very possible to get sales very well, more than any other service that you're offering already. So I would like to stop this video here, and definitely probably I might update the video later on, or add or publish a new video regarding this gig later on. Thank you for watching.